everybody, welcome to my channel. This is my last video in the Junk Journal January challenge for 2024. And I thought I'd show you my journal complete and just do a walkthrough of the pages. So you can see that I made it all, I fit it all in there, but yeah, can't close it worth a darn. But at least it's all in one place. And this is such a cute little journal. I wish I would have tried harder to keep the pages flatter so that I could have it looking really cute on the outside as well. But it is what it is. All right, let's take a look here. So the very first page, yes, back when I thought that I can put thick embellishments on this page because all the other pages are going to be flat. That's like saying, oh, I'm just going to go into this craft store and buy this one little thing. Yeah, that doesn't work that way. And then we have the pages where we have the definitions and the quotes, all things about new beginnings and determination and new year. And continuing that on with the little quote here, life was meant for a great adventure. Stay curious. And then I had an emotional couple days with working on this page of memories, and especially so since my little sister did pass away a few years ago in the month of January. And this is where it all went wrong, where this ribbon rose took up so much space. And then to top it off, it was right in front of these pages here with the layering, and it's just, they're very thick pages. But I love the earthy tones and the grungy feel of this layout here. And then we have the vintage eclectic layout, so very fun. I loved just kind of finding little things that I could add to the pages. And then shifting again to more of a shabby feel, and the beautiful soft colors, the pastels that are on these pages. And everybody seems to really love the cacti in the images here. And then my whimsical pages with the slide out. And I asked, but nobody could tell me what this was supposed to be called, so I'm calling it a slide out, but it doesn't come all the way out. It's just like a hidden place for journaling or surprises. And I do have a tutorial for that. And then the very, very shabby page where I fussy cut everything, including all of these windows out of the window pane, so my little horse could peek through. And so that's very pretty. And then my bohemian pages with all the beautiful colors. And I kind of should have been doing this all along, where I had at least 4 prompts on 2 pages so that everything would fit, but woulda, coulda, shoulda. And then the grungy bee pages that amazingly came together with the geometric and the lyrics, because a few days before coming up to these pages, I was searching for library cards for this page and found these lyrics here for the bees and these grungy papers in my digital stash. So that was very timely. So this all came together fairly quickly, even though I had to redo the pages because I didn't like the way I did it the first time. And then these gorgeous, gorgeous travel papers by Tracy Fox. This was the January freebies if you join her Facebook page. And yeah, very nice, very pretty. And the very last page where I can reflect on why I chose to put everything in this little tiny journal that I can't close now. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Thank everyone for the wonderfully kind words in the comments. And if you have missed anything and you want to see it all, I do have a playlist. And so you can go there and see all of the pages. And then I want to lastly wish everyone a wonderful year. And I hope that it brings everything that you could hope for, and that we all accomplish so much and stay healthy and take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.